Welcome to the Daily Market News for April 2nd, 2019. My name is James with Elliott Wave Forecast.com. Today's market action, the Dow Jones Industrial is down just under 0.33%. The S&P 500 was unchanged. The Nasdaq was slightly positive by 0.25%, and the Russell 2000 was down slightly at negative 0.18%. Much of today's market attention was devoted to Bitcoin. Coming into today, Bitcoin was well above trendline support and the prior pivot low at 3850. Over the past several weeks, we've been sideways consolidated price action capped below two key resistance levels at 4190 and 4236. Bitcoin ended the day in the New York session up over 15%. Looking at the price action from the start of the day, the cryptocurrency remained well above trendline support and pushed up in the London trading hours, breaking the two key pivots at 4190 and 4236. This also broke the consolidated price action seen the past 3 months. We now look for Bitcoin to remain supported here for more highs to come. On the economic calendar for April 3rd, 2019, we get Eurozone retail sales at 9 o'clock GMT. We've got Fed speak at 12:30 GMT. And then the highlight of the day is at 1400 GMT. We see USD ISM non-manufacturing services composite for March. Thank you for joining me for today's market news. We look forward to the rest of the trading week and what else is in store for Bitcoin, which is covered in our Group 3 services here at www.elliottwave-forecast.com. Come check out how our unique technical analysis of 78 different financial instruments can help you navigate market expectations by taking a trial subscription of any one of our groups.